that you get out of it. Whoa! Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great, not so sunshine state of Florida today. And it is freezing. It's like 46. It was warmer this morning. So 46 is really cold to me. I got 3 shirts on, got this on. But today's video is not a truck video, but probably the next one will be a truck video. Today, the video is going to be about the GTO. So what I had a problem with before was I had to keep jumping the battery, and then the battery was just dying. So I bought a new battery, and now I have a problem. I think from the battery being so low for so long, it may have I wouldn't say burnt up, but caused the alternator to become defective. So I have a different tool. I have a diagnostic tool that checks the battery and alternator, and I'm going to show you guys that as well. And I'll show you that this car is a 05 GTO that it still does, it gives you like a little diagnostics. But let me get into today's video with that. But I'm going to give you guys a cold, warm start, warm, cold start. I'm sure you guys like that sound of that engine. So let me go ahead and show you what it's doing right now. So if you can see right there, it says check alternator. So I have this tool that I'm going to go ahead and use to check the alternator and the battery. So I say I just replaced the battery, so I don't know if the battery's charging because the battery light is on. So what I got to do is I have to turn the car off. Go ahead and pop the hood. I'm gonna take the key out. Stop making the noise. Next project car coming soon on the channel. So this is the tool that I have. That's Midtronics. That's gonna go ahead and check the system. So let me go ahead and connect it to the battery, and then I'll show you how it works. And as usual, guys, if this is not the first time, if this is not your first time or the second time or the third time, definitely tap that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon for future upload. Like, share, subscribe, and comment on the videos. Thank you. Here it is. What we're gonna do is take this off. See that LS2, guys? If anybody know where I could find these engine covers, or anybody got some, let me know. Can't find them anywhere, or the ones I found have been painted. I just want some nice, clean OEM ones. So I'm gonna connect the positive, and then connect the negative, and then the tool should come on. Ow. I think I pulled something off. I don't have a good connection with that one. All right. I'm gonna use this as my ground. I heard the tool come back on again this time. Error. All right, so right now it's showing 11.96 volts. What I'm gonna do, hard to do this. So I'm gonna do enter. The battery location is in the vehicle. Enter. Top post. Automotive. Just use the AGM spiral. Cold cranking amps. So I need to see what the cold cranking amps is on this battery. So I got this die-hard cold cranking amps, 625. Enter, go down to 625. $625. Enter. It's testing. Put after charge because it's a new battery. Enter. What? I just replaced the battery. So I'm gonna do a starter system check. So enter. It's gonna tell me what to do. I'm trying to do this. As you guys can see, it says start the engine. What do I do with the keys? So I started the vehicle. So with the load off, that means the AC and everything is off. So rev the engine. Engine rev not detected. Okay, so I'm gonna press, what I gotta do now is press this button while I'm revving the engine. Let the vehicle sit idle. Enter. Turn high beams and blower motor on. Blower motor is on. Gotta turn the high beams on. On. Okay. It's on. Press enter. Rev engine. It's gonna say it's not detected, so I gotta do the same thing I did with the loads off. All right, so now I'm gonna do this. Idle engine. Hit the enter. Turn all the loads off. That lights off. Blower motor off. And engine. All that's done. Enter. Charging system. Low output. Yep, so the charging system is bad, which I already knew because the car kind of told me that. Let's see what's on the down. Well, the battery is low. Starter. That's a new battery. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna charge the battery up. And redo the system, do this check again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it for a drive. But now I'm gonna have to get underneath it. It's look like it's leaking some oil. Yep, that's oil. So hopefully it's something easy, like a gasket, the filter or something. But we're gonna take it for a spin down the street, try and see if we could drive it to charge up the battery a little bit. But while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go and get something just in case we get stuck or the battery kicks the bucket. Get my trusty jump box. All right, it's all the jumper cables in here. I got the jump box, it's all charged up. Now we're gonna pull out for a second and check it. That's the second problem right there. You see that on the trans, how it won't shift. That was a 2 to 3 shift. So we gotta have to change the clutch basket with some clutches. I guess that's a problem also with these 4L60 transmissions. So that's another thing. So this is a bunch of little things to get done on the car here. But it is, you know, a fun car. Just go ahead and to get all this stuff taken care of. Still flashing. Check alternator and the low battery light. But as I said, I'm going to charge it up and see how it responds to the charge, and see if it'll what's the word? Get rid of this light. It will shift the 2-3 shift as long as I just like let out of it. It will be fine. But if you kind of stay in it, it won't shift. It just hangs up. Then you get out of it. Whoa! You guys hear that? That didn't sound good at all. Definitely gonna have to see what that is. I don't know if that's the transmission, a belt, or something. So I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah, it's barely going now. Hopefully I could get back home. I think it's a transmission, because now if you let it go down, it'll be fine. Yep, don't want to go, so I'm gonna go to 3. Let me go back to drive. Then it shifts. Yep, guys, I think this transmission is shot. So I'm by the house. have it in reverse, hit the gas. Does not move out of reverse, but it do go in drive. Checking it out in here, everything looks good. I'm not leaking any transmission fluid or anything, but as you can see, transmission is gone. Now it won't go into reverse, it only goes into drive. So I was able to get it in the garage, but at least I checked it in neutral. It will roll in neutral, but I do hear a bunch of maybe that clutch basket finally let go. That was a short trip. At least this time, well, the transmission finally went out. I know it was a problem before. I was waiting on parts, so I'll have to see when those parts will get in or when they'll come back in stock. Everything was hard to get, but the battery is a minor issue right now. But I'm still gonna put it on the charger to charge it. I'm gonna have to take it and I'm gonna take the transmission out, and me and my buddies are gonna rebuild it, and I'll film that process for you as well. But this is a common issue with these transmission, the automatic and the GTOs. And again, guys, definitely thank you guys for watching the videos. Definitely tap that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, comment, share, and subscribe again. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I don't know when we're gonna get to this one, but when we get to it, but truck vids, Hellcat vids, mini vids, other vids, and I'm out.